Welcome to our exploration of carbohydrates, often misunderstood yet vital for health. In this segment, we'll delve into the world of carbs and their significance in our diet. Carbohydrates fuel our bodies with energy and support well-being. Despite their importance, misconceptions abound, leading many to avoid them unnecessarily. Our aim is to clarify these misunderstandings and highlight why carbohydrates should be a staple in a balanced diet. Prepare to uncover the truth about these powerful nutrients and learn how they can benefit your health. Stay tuned as we discover some of the best high-carb foods to consider adding to your meals. Let's dive into foods that are not just high in carbohydrates, but also packed with nutrients. First on our list is the humble potato. Rich in vitamins and minerals, potatoes are an excellent energy source. They can be baked, boiled, or mashed, making them versatile in any meal. Next, we have whole grains like brown rice and quinoa. These grains are high in carbohydrates and offer fiber, aiding digestion and keeping you full longer. Don't forget sweet potatoes. Known for their natural sweetness and vibrant color, they're loaded with vitamins A and C, making them a delicious and nutritious choice. Oats are fantastic for breakfast or as a snack, providing a slow release of energy to keep you going. They also contribute to heart health stat, thanks to their high fiber content. Bananas are another carbohydrate-rich food perfect for on-the-go snacking, providing quick energy and rich in potassium, essential for heart health. Finally, legumes like lentils and chickpeas are high in carbs and packed with protein and fiber. They're great for maintaining energy and muscle health. These foods show how carbohydrates can be part of a balanced diet, supporting both energy and overall well-being. Stay tuned as we explore the broader benefits of carbohydrates in the next segment. Carbohydrates are often seen just as fuel, but they are so much more. As the body's main energy source, they fuel everything from your morning run to evening relaxation. Yet, their benefits stretch beyond energy provision. Our brains rely on carbohydrates to function at their best, helping us think clearly and react swiftly. Moreover, carbohydrates play a crucial role in maintaining digestive health. They provide fiber that aids in digestion and keeps our gut healthy. Despite these vital roles, carbohydrates have been misunderstood and unfairly vilified in recent years. It's time to debunk the myths. Carbohydrates are not the enemy. They are essential for sustaining life and optimizing health. When chosen wisely, they can be a cornerstone of a balanced diet. So, as we continue this exploration of high-carb foods, remember the value they bring to your nutrition. Let's embrace carbohydrates for their true worth, as indispensable allies in our quest for health and vitality. Join us as we delve deeper into how these foods can be both delicious and beneficial, and learn how to incorporate them effectively into your daily meals. As we conclude our journey, let's recap the essentials. We've explored the vital role carbohydrates play in our diet, dispelling myths and embracing their benefits. Remember, healthy carbohydrates are your allies, providing energy and supporting overall well-being. Including them wisely in your meals can lead to a healthier lifestyle. We encourage you to embrace these nourishing foods and make them a staple in your diet. But don't stop here. There's always more to learn. For deeper insights into nutrition and to keep up with the latest health tips, subscribe to our channel. Join our community of health-conscious individuals dedicated to living better and feeling great. Let's continue this journey together, unlocking the full potential of a balanced diet and vibrant health. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more enlightening content.